1, 2. We're about the same. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos pop up on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays, and I film all the time lately, like all the time. Everything is content. Everything is content. Including today's video. It's an opening of my Boxycharm box for the month of, what is this, August? We're in August 2022 for my Boxycharm. I love it. If you've never heard of Boxycharm, it's a new thing to you, you're not sure, this is your first time seeing this video, one, there's a playlist that I have dedicated just to my Boxycharm openings. Also, there's another one just for like openings if you're into that kind of stuff, because I remember for a while I was. And Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that comes with like beauty, skincare, makeup, I believe hair care too, a whole bunch of hoopla, and they're expanding like all the time, of course, so little bits and pieces here and there. I'm gonna put more down in the description below because there's so much and it changes all the time, and editing me is just on top of this. Shout out to me. But you can go check that out. I'll also include a link down below so you can go see for yourself a little bit about them. This is my box. I know there's a few different variations, so let's go ahead and open mine up and see what I got. My little cloud knife. Isn't that cute? As always, beautiful black box, logo in the center, and the pink when you open it is like classic now. Oh, this is new. So, of course, the card on top, but the little foamy thing is orange. I have some questions. Anyway, the theme for the month comes on this cute little card, tells you a little bit about the theme, and then, of course, the items in your box on the back of the card, a little bit about them, the price, maybe how to use them, some little tips here and there. The theme for this month is Dusk Till Dawn, and if that's not coffee and creamer mixing, I don't know what it could be. Maybe tea and cream, because that's how I do my tea sometimes. Morning tea for show. Anyway, the first item in my box is from Glow Recipe, and I believe I picked this one. It is a avocado melt retinol eye cream that retails for $42. It's this cute little tiny box here, which, if you know eye creams, which I'm getting used to, this is actually pretty big for eye creams, so unless most of it's empty. But looks pretty full. $42. Let's see. It says reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. I would like to see what's in the box. Ophthalmologist tested, dermatologist tested. That's important because this goes around your eyes. This is difficult to open. Whew, but I did it. Hey Glow Gang, we're committed to respecting your skin and the environment. Sustainability is part of our mission, and we're constantly working to be more eco-conscious. Unfold to see our recipe for sustainability. Cute. I like that this is, it's a little baby avocado. This is so, like, if you've never used products from Glow Recipe, one, their packaging is adorable. Very high-end glass, itty bitty but great. I want to open it, but I'm not even halfway done with the eye cream I have now, so I'm not going to open this because I am going to be using this. So cute. Cute packaging. Oh, I'm going to put it back in the package just in casesies. That way I don't get ideas here, because I will. $42, and this is the most expensive thing out of my box this month. The second thing in my box, it's from ALLEYOOP. It's a Stack the Odds 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, bronzer, and highlighter for $38. But I mean, here it is, very cute in the shade Sunkissed. I thought I got one of these already. maybe not from Boxycharm, I guess. I don't know. I know I've gotten duplicate items in Boxycharm from different months, and it's not the first, it won't be the last. They send me like these really nice emails and they say, hey, you got something that you've already gotten before, but to make up for it, here's like a whatever credit, or you know, something along those lines, which is like super sweet. But I don't think I got an email like that, and I already have one of these. Where is it? Hold on. So here's the one for this month, August 2022, Sun-Kissed. Here's the previous box that I have yet to put away. You're not gonna believe this. Oh, this one is in Sassy Pants though. Maybe I'll have to give one away. I mean, I guess I can. I have yet to try them. I really gotta put those boxes away, but I really want to try these. These seem pretty cool, so I'm not super mad that I got a duplicate, but anyway, $38 though. Have yet to try it. They're these cute little compacts. You open it up, adorbs. Next, we have something from GIRLACTIK. It's a metallic eye sparkle shadow for $20, and sis, hi, I love your packaging. Do you see this? Ka-chow. That's probably trademark. Don't copyright it. Something. Ooh, I like that. Hello. I didn't get anything like this in any of my boxes, did I? $20? Tell me now. Nope. Nope. I'm not opening the rest of the boxes. I'm scared. Very pretty. I like it a lot. I don't think I've gotten something like this already. Now I'm like really worried that everything I get is going to be like a duplicate. We're starting all over again. Not the case. Oh, I forgot the shade. Glam. That's pretty though. I do not use liquid eyeshadows. I definitely should. I should probably film like a liquid cream something video to make myself try them, because I know they look better, but I'm just nervous. That's $20. The next item in my Boxycharm for August 2022 is from KAB Cosmetics, or Cap Cosmetics. It's loose setting powder. It's a new launch, $30. It mattifies, locks in makeup, and minimizes shine, all in one soft and silky formula. Keep you shine free for 6+ hours. Free. Cute packaging though. I do like that. The matte with the gloss, and then it's translucent. Also, unsure of how to open a box. It's fine. I got it. I got it. Yes. Huh, just as cute on the inside. Not the biggest, but a good size. You look kind of shiny though. It says translucent, loose setting powder, mica, silica, phenol, titanium dioxide, yellow number 5. Seems pretty simple. But you're not shiny, you're mattifying? Okay. Alright. What were you? $30. So I just want to show you $30, and then my go-to that sits out here all the time, Wet n Wild, for like $4 or $5. Just, I'm putting it out there. $30. And then, oh, my card dropped. And then the final item in the box is, it's from SHADOWMOON. It's a reusable shadow shield. Retails for $15. I don't know why I'm showing you this. I need to show you this, but what is it? This is where the little synopsis or definition description comes in handy. It's a silicone reusable shadow shield that for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadows, fallout, creates a straight edge eyeshadow wing line for perfect application. Does an under eye concealer. Cooler. Ooh, puffy morning eyes. Cool in the fridge freezer. Designed with a grip. So no, it hit. Are you like those little? You stick in your. Okay. So, ooh. Okay. Reusable. Up. Notice how it's going in my shirt where I think this normally should go. I never have a, this is $15. So I hold it. Okay. Do I? Nope. Okay. It's silicone-y, like catches eyeshadow fallout, helps achieve perfect eyeshadow and wing liner application. I can see that. You still have to have a good angle for each side though. You gotta know what you're doing. And I cooled in the fridge or freezer to depuff and soothe my under eye area. I don't have my mini fridge in here. My mini fridge is in my my room where all my skincare stuff is because it's full of skincare. Designed with a grip, so no adhesive is required. Well, where's the grip? Oh, that's a box. Where's the grip? Do you have to lick it and then? Nope. Okay, I'm worried I'm gonna drop it. Hold Shadow Moon under your eye while applying your eye makeup. Clean with soap and water between use. Ooh, don't smell it. Don't smell it. Back in the box it goes. Yeah, new things scare me, but this goes back in the box. Go back in the box. I was like, oh, is this like a cream or a powder? Nope. Chicken cutlet. $15. Okay. And then the little foamy for this month is orange. Normally it's like black. I think they're black. They haven't had these in a while. They use like smush paper. And that's everything for my Boxycharm. Everything. This is everything for my August Boxycharm 2022. This year is coming along. It is. And I'm like, I'm already planning like months out. Yeah. I'm like, here's what my New Year's look is gonna be. Yes. Anyway, still focus on this. This is all of my items I got. For sure I'm gonna be using one of them immediately. Probably testing out a few. Kind of scared of one. Like for sure. Not quite sure. We're gonna research that one for sure. If you guys have any information, help on the Shadow Moon, let me know in the comments, please, because I mean, I've seen like the little tapes and like the other little things that you use, but never have I ever seen one of these. No. Especially like this specific brand. Has anyone used this? Is this like a thing? Do you use it every day? Is it like your ride or die, you can't live without? I don't have a lot of fallout with makeup. I don't have a lot of issues with my wing liner. I don't have an issue with under eye puffiness. Unless like I'm hella emotional the day before. And then the next day like we need to wear sunglasses because nothing will help. Trust me with these chubby cheeks. Oh, nothing. Anyway, that is it for my Boxycharm for August 2022. Thank you very much for joining me. And if you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.